Hey, we're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra and let's go to 7.1. We have 4 over 16 raised to the negative half. 4 over 16, and that's all raised to the negative half. Is that right? Oh, the way that's written, yeah. I wrote that intentionally like that because a lot of times, if you're using a scientific calculator, maybe you're on the internet where you're typing something in a box, you got to kind of write it like that. Except we'd also put parentheses around this exponent here. Okay. Well, first thing we could do, if you wanted to, we could actually simplify this inside part, and this would just become 1 over 4. Right? 4 over 16 reduces down to 1 over 4. And then we have this negative a half up here. So what we could do now is we could say, okay, 1 raised to the negative a half, and then 4 raised to the negative a half. But we want to write this with positive exponents, so we would take this 1 to the negative half down into the denominator, and that makes that a positive a half. Then we take the 4 up into the numerator, and that makes that a positive a half. And then, of course, 4 raised to the half is just 2. 1 raised to the half is just 1. So we would just write, wow, I don't know what happened there. Right when I get on a roll, man, something's got to screw up. Okay, so 2. Alright, so that's one way of looking at this problem. Now, here's another way. You could say 4 to the half, negative a half, and then 16 to the negative a half. And then do the big switcheroo where we take this 16 to the negative half up into the numerator, and then 4 to the half down into the denominator, and then evaluate each one of them. So 16 raised to the half is going to be 4, and then of course 4 raised to the half is 2, and 2 goes into simplifying that down. Alright, so which one's got fewer steps? That's the big question. And we kind of did that in our head, right? So that was like 1 step, but I don't know. They both look about the same to me. All right. 2. We're at gotomath.com, and I'll see you in the next problem.